Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the 3D printing world, comparing the Creality Ender 3v3 SE on my left and the Comgrow 2024 new version Creality K1C on my right. Let's see which one will print its way into our hearts and which one will just, well, clog our dreams. First up, the Ender 3v3 SE. It boasts a speed of 250 millimeters per second. Not bad, right? It's like the tortoise in the 3D printing race, slow and steady. But hey, it gets the job done. Now, the K1C. This bad boy can hit a whopping 600 millimeters per second. That's 12 times faster than your average 3D printer. It's basically the Usain Bolt of 3D printing. If you blink, you might miss the whole print. Ender 3v3 SE comes with the upgraded Sprite Direct Extruder. Sounds fancy, right? It's like the Swiss Army knife of extruders, versatile and reliable. This extruder has shipped over 500,000 units worldwide. That's more than the number of times my grandma told me to clean my room. But the K1C isn't backing down. It's got a clog-free direct extruder with a high-temperature nozzle that can hit 300. This extruder is so powerful, it could probably print a pizza if you loaded it with the right filament. Just kidding, don't try that at home. Seriously. Ender 3v3 SE makes leveling a breeze with its CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z.offset. It's like having a personal assistant who always knows when your print bed is uneven. No more fiddling with knobs and screws. But wait, the K1C takes it a step further. It's got auto calibration, auto Z offset, and auto leveling. It's like the Tesla of 3D printers. Automated and ready to go. Just tap and walk away. It's so easy, even my cat could do it, if she had thumbs. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. The Ender 3v3 SE comes in at a wallet-friendly $219. That's cheaper than a weekend getaway or a fancy dinner date. On the other hand, the K1C will set you back $599. Ouch, that's like paying for a small vacation or a really nice pair of shoes. But hey, if you want speed and convenience, sometimes you gotta splurge. The Ender 3v3 SE is user-friendly with quick assembly. It takes just 20 minutes to go from unboxing to printing. That's faster than assembling IKEA furniture, and way less frustrating. The K1C, however, is ready to plug and play right out of the box. It's like unboxing a new smartphone. In just 3 minutes, you're ready to print. No assembly required. It's perfect for those of us who are, let's say, assembly challenged. Reviewers are generally pleased with both the Ender 3v3 SE and the K1C. The Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its value, ease of use, and reliable performance, although some users have faced issues with auto leveling and software. The K1C is appreciated for its high speed and advanced features, though some users recommend experimenting with settings and being patient with the learning curve. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Ender 3v3 SE is a budget-friendly, reliable choice with decent speed and great features. But if you're looking for lightning-fast prints and a fully automated experience, the K1C might just be worth the extra bucks. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, happy printing! Product links are in the description.